In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kaspersky Parental controls. Ensuring your child's online safety while they explore the digital world can be a daunting task. That's where Kaspersky Parental controls come in, offering a robust suite of tools to help you manage and monitor your child's online activities. So, let's dive right into how you can set this up quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and go to the Kaspersky website. This is the starting point for setting up all Kaspersky security solutions, including the parental controls we'll be focusing on today. Once you're on their homepage, navigate towards the section labeled My Kaspersky and click on it. This area is your personalized Kaspersky dashboard where you can manage your products and services. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. If you're new to Kaspersky, you'll need to create an account, so just follow the on-screen prompts to get started. Now that you're signed in, direct your attention to the Kaspersky Home section. This is where all the magic happens. Everything you need for controlling and securing your family's devices is found here. Next, head to the Kids section. This part of the dashboard is specifically designed to facilitate parental controls. You'll want to click on Kids to start managing the devices and profiles associated with your account. If you already have profiles set up, you'll see them listed here. Otherwise, we're going to create a new child profile. Click on Create Child Profile to begin this process. This step is essential as it allows you to tailor the Kaspersky experience to each of your children's needs. After setting up your child's profile, go ahead and click Continue. You're almost there. Now, you'll be prompted to install the Parental Control app on the relevant device. This is a crucial step, as the app allows you to monitor and manage settings directly from your smartphone or computer, providing easy access and control no matter where you are. Click on Install App on Device. The next step involves selecting the For Parents option. This ensures that the app is configured specifically for you, the parent, allowing you to manage the child's settings seamlessly. Finally, you'll see the option to download the app. Click on Download and follow the installation instructions provided on the screen. In just a few moments, the app will be ready to go. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Kaspersky Parental Controls. Remember, these tools are a fantastic aid in tracking and moderating your child's online activities. Don't forget to explore the app's features to fully customize your child's online experience, ensuring they stay safe while navigating through their digital adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy safeguarding.